I got really tired of having to write the same things over and over as I corrected grammar in early posts in my class. And so I recently created a little text expander algorithm, one for spelling and grammar errors, one for there errors, and one for just adding an additional error under one of these two. Let me show you how it works. Here's the first error. It's a there issue. I'm going to copy it, and then all I need to do down here in this space is type the hotkey for that error, which is TTT. Now I've got the highlighted text here, and all I need to do is write the corrected word, and if I want to, bold the place where the change is. I'll move on to the next error, which is many ties with their business partners. Now I don't need to repeat the entire error this time, I only need to add an additional line. So I'm going to go to the next line and use ASG, which is my additional grammar error. Again, I'll just replace that word. And then I think there's one more, best interest of their colleagues. Again, it's just an additional error, so I'll use ASG for additional spelling grammar. And now I've been able to very quickly add all of the corrections that I need for this. If there was an additional spelling mistake in this, let's say maybe advantageous was misspelled, I can add one more command that I've written. I can put it maybe at the top here, which is just for general spelling and grammar errors. And then I could, put in the correct spelling of the word. But the idea is that it always gives you two copies, one for leaving it the way it was and one for making the change.